Denso is accelerating our efforts to achieve carbon neutrality by 2035. One way we're moving toward a green future is through the development of green hydrogen generation technologies. Hydrogen is a clean energy alternative that can be produced from a variety of carbon-free resources, such as renewable power like solar and wind. The challenge is making green hydrogen efficiently on a large scale to power our economy and way of life. Our goal is to create an efficient way to generate green hydrogen. Denso's solid oxide electrolysis cell technology uses electricity to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. The hydrogen and oxygen are then stored for future use. Denso's solid oxide reversible cell technology makes hydrogen and uses a fuel cell to make electricity from hydrogen gas when electric power is needed. Denso is dedicated to developing sustainable technologies to power our future.